Good evening, team. This video is just a short block of instruction as to how to use the bracket that we built today. On the left, in the first bracket, you'll see the budget impacts that we decided on as a group, and then you'll notice that the remaining brackets are not populated yet. Those will start to populate as you make your choices in the first bracket. Also on the right side here is the place for the ranked list. You'll notice that it's all highlighted now, red right now. The purpose of that is that there's conditional formatting so that if there are duplicates, they get flagged red. As long as you proceed through the bracket in the order that I show you here, there'll be no chance of getting a duplicate, but if you get turned around, you could accidentally end up with the same thing listed twice in the ranked list, and if that is the case, it will highlight red, and then you can go back and make your adjustments. So basically, for each of these green blocks here, you're going to be given a choice of the two budget impacts that are listed to the left, and you're going to work from top to bottom in each of the rounds, choosing of those items which you think are most important. So those things that you would least like to lose out of the model, or those things that should be last shed based on expenses. As you proceed through, what's going to happen is the choices you make here are going to drive the choices available other places. And when you get to the end of round one, you'll see that it's going to populate the ranked list with both your winner in round one, as well as sort of the first loser, so the item that made it to the round where it was knocked out. Then once you've completed the first round bracket, you'll come to the second round bracket, and now this is going to be asking about sort of the next two highest ranked, and you'll pick that. And what you'll see is that now the one that you picked is ranked as 3, and the one that lost is ranked as 4. And as you continue working through this, you'll be able to populate all 8 lines of the ranked list. You can, when you're done, you can either email back the whole spreadsheet or just your list. It doesn't really matter to me. And I guess the one other thing is, this is a tool to try and allow us to do some analysis. But if you feel like the order that the bracket gave you doesn't reflect your true wishes, feel free to edit your list to accurately reflect what you feel is most important. There are some scenarios, depending on sort of how these things are seated, where not every option competes with every other option. So feel free to make adjustments once you sort of go through and make your first pass analysis. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line, and I look forward to getting your completed brackets. Thank you.